Okay, a few of you are asking about the cream makeup. Does it settle into fine lines and wrinkles? If you apply too much product, it can. So it's always either one of two things. One, it could be that it is a color issue, meaning you have gone too light with the foundation and now it is showing more texture. So we don't want it to show more texture. Or if the color is right, you could be just applying too much product. The cool thing about cream makeup, if it does settle, you just take your finger and tap it. That's it. Don't be worried about it settling. If it does, you know what you need to do. It should not feel like makeup. Makeup is supposed to be customized to you, and depending on how much time you have, you just do you. And know that you're beautiful whether you wear makeup or not. So if you're interested in building a custom compact, a ginormous one like this, or a small one like this, let me know. I'll help you choose colors that are going to be perfect for you.